Something happened recently that got a lot of unwanted attention online. An activewear brand, one that preaches inclusivity and confidence, filmed someone in the gym who kind of wasn't using the equipment correctly. And instead of helping them, they mocked them online for everyone to see. And I thought to myself, you know what? That's the exact reason why people are scared to walk into the gym. So today I want to talk to the person who's been thinking about going to the gym, but hasn't taken that step yet, because what you're feeling is actually real. And you deserve an honest answer on how to actually do it. First thing I want to say, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart, walking in the gym when you're out of shape, when you don't know what you're doing, when you feel like everyone's watching you, that takes a lot of courage. Most people don't do it. They sit home and think about it. You're actually considering doing the hard thing. And that matters. Do not ever underestimate that. The first thing that I would do is shop your gym first. And here's something that nobody tells you. Not every gym out there is the right gym for you. And that's okay. Before you sign up to the first gym you come across, please go to every gym in the area. Walk in, have a look around, talk to the staff, and do it at the actual time that you'd be going. Because a gym at 6 a.m. looks completely different to one at 5 p.m. You want to find a place that when you walk in the door, you go, you know what? I could actually see myself here. The vibe, the equipment, the people, it all matters. Don't just sign up to the first one you go to because it's convenient. You want somewhere where you'll actually go back to. The next point is get shown around before you actually start. So once you've picked your gym and before you just jump right in, get an orientation session. Most gyms offer this for free when you first start, so use it. Have someone show you around. Learn how to do the equipment properly. Not because you're stupid, because nobody was born knowing how to use a cable machine or how to adjust the seat on a leg press. The person that got mocked in that viral video this week was doing their best with the knowledge that they knew. That's pretty much all any of us do when we start. Now, if you want to go a step further, getting a coach or a trainer to write you up a program is genuinely worth it. Even 2 or 3 sessions just to learn the basics. It just means you're not guessing every time you walk in. You know what you're there to do, you do it, and you leave. That confidence alone just changes everything. Now, the third point is the one that absolutely nobody talks about. You've joined your gym, you've had your orientation. Now what? You want to keep this stupidly simple. On your first visit, you're not there to train hard. You're there to just get comfortable. Walk in, do 20 minutes on a piece of cardio or equipment that you already know, a treadmill, a bike, a bench press, whatever. Have a look around. Get familiar with everything is and then just leave. That's it. You've done it. You've showed up. The hard part has been conquered. The goal of your first visit isn't a great workout. It's to make the next one less scary. And the third, and the fourth, and the fifth. The gym just becomes normal every time you walk through the door. Now, with my next point, I know you all think that everybody's watching you. And the reality is, the ones that are watching you are probably really proud that you're there because they see themselves and what they went through at the start. But the majority aren't. They're in their own little world. And I can prove it. Because when you go to the gym, you're not watching everybody else either, are you? You're in your own head, trying to focus on what you're doing, trying to commit to this journey that you've just started. Everyone in that room is dealing with their own shit. The person staring in the mirror isn't judging you. They're just checking out their own form. The person with the big headphones on isn't paying attention to you. They're somewhere else entirely, lost, battling the demons. The gym is actually one of the most self-absorbed places on planet Earth, and that can work in your favor. And the last point I want to make is find something that you'll actually go back for. This is the most important thing long term. Find a form of training that you actually really enjoy or just don't hate. Because if every session feels like punishment, trust me, you won't go back. It's that simple. You might stick it out for 2 weeks on willpower alone, but like motivation, willpower just runs out. Whether that's a HIIT class, a spin class, a rowing machine, yes, even if you're using it wrong. Find the thing that makes you think, you know what? This is all right. I'll go back tomorrow. That's the whole game at the start. Consistency over perfection every single time. If any of this resonated with you, if you've been sitting on the fence about starting, I want to actually help you do it. There's a link in the description. That's where you can find out more about working with me directly. We cut through all the noise and just get you moving in the right direction. And if you're not ready for that, that's completely fine. Subscribe, because this is normal, real shit that I talk about. Either way, go find your gym, walk through the door. You'll be all right.